Hello student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Last lecture we complete the first chapter, that is logarithm. In today's lecture we start the new chapter, determinants, from unit 1, obviously algebra. Up to 10th standard you study about the determinant, is based on the rows and columns. Same definition we have to introduce in this basic mathematics, that is definition of determinants. Determinants are defined by arrangement of numbers in a horizontal and vertical form in a bar brackets, that is modulus of d, most probably used for the determinant. These are called, this position is called, this bracket is called bar bracket. With the aij, I indicate the number of row and j indicate the number of column. In the 10th standard, the definition of determinant, it is the any numbers are arranged in a pattern of rows and columns in a bracket, that mention here the bar bracket is given by, suppose we start from the first element is A11, that means these indicate first row and first column. A12 first row and second column. A21 second row first column, and last A22 second row second column. This means that A11 and A12 are the elements are in a first row with respect to the first and second column. That means these indicate the position of the column, and 1 means the indicate the number of row. In a second row, obviously 2 is there. A21 and A22 are the elements of second row, having column first and column second. These easily understand by I indicate the number of row and j indicate the number of column. That means first row first column, first row second column, second row first column, and second row second column. These have the 2 rows and 2 columns in a determinant form. Now we study about 3 rows and 3 columns. The element first, obviously I and j, where I indicate number of row and j indicate number of column. So we start from the determinant symbol d is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Same pattern is applied to resolve the 3 by 3 order determinant. How? These whole line indicate first row, this whole line indicate the second row, and this whole line indicate the third row. These line indicate the first column, these line indicate the second column, and these line indicate the third column. Here 1 indicate first row first column, 1 indicate first row second column, and A13 that indicate the element available in first row and third column. Same trick apply for the A21. A21, it is the element available in the second row first column. A22 second row second column. A23 second row third column. Now we consider the next column and rows, that is third row, with the first column. Obviously, A31 third row and first column. A32 third row second column. A33 third row third column. Throughout the chapter, we have to take the any elements, that is A11, A12, A21, A22, or A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 with the position of the element as well as these all the numbers belongs to real number set. Most probably, the mathematical notation of the determinant, just I told that it is denoted by the bar bracket, this strip bracket also it is called, and have the two rows and two columns. Same thing apply for the these 3 by 3 order determinant have 3 rows and 3 columns. Just 2 by 2 order determinant explained by this example. How? 1 and minus 3 are available in first row. 5 and 7 are available in second row. But 1 and 5 are available column number 1. And minus 3 and 7 are available in a column number 2. I explain again the position of the elements, how we have to determine. That means the first row and first column is 1. First row, second column element is minus 3. Second row, first column element is 5. Second row and second column element is 7. The horizontal lines are indicate rows and vertical lines element indicates the column in the determinant. If DE symbol is available for the determinant, you also use the capital A symbol. Always remind that the denotation of any topic is most probably in a mathematics denoted by capital letter. That's why we can the general step also. But how to solve the value of determinant? If in a general form A and B, C and D are both are the different variable or same, does not matter. The position of the A, B, C, D, that is A11, A12, A21 and A22. How to find the value of determinant then? AD minus BC. Be particular, cross multiplication of the diagonal elements, that is A into D, minus is there and the remaining diagonal element B into C. In a detail, we study about the value of determinant using our usual notation, that is determinant D is equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22 is defined by. Same trick apply for the diagonal element multiplication first, that is A11, A22 minus A12 into A21. In the general format, I defined this value of determinant again. We have to find the value of any determinant of order 2 by 2 with any element is defined fixed way, that is A11 into A12 minus A12 into A21. Now we take the example based on this. If 1, 6, 2, 5 are the element, I take the positive number. Then how we derive the value of such determinant? It is easy way. 1 and 5. Multiply first 1 into 5. Middle sign is always negative. 6 into 12. It is 2. It is obviously 12. So that's defined by 5 minus 12 is obviously minus 7. Remind that the value of determinant may be positive, negative, that based on their number multiplication, and final answer defined by the symbol of the bigger number. I explain again. 1 and 6, 2 and 5 are the elements given in 2 by 2 order determinant. We have to find the value of such determinant by taking 1 into 5 minus 6 into 2. That is 1 into 5 is 5, 6 into 2 is minus 12. So we derive the final value is minus 7. Let us try from one more example. In this example, 6 and minus 1, 9 and 4 is given. Same trick apply for the same value of determinant, that is given by 6 into 4, diagonal elements first, then second diagonal element. Be careful, middle sign is always negative, but minus 1 into 9. So I put the bracket in a minus 1 symbol or elements. So that's why we have the 9 into minus 1, that is minus 9. That is a into minus b is minus ab. 6 into 4, 24. We know that if outside the bracket there is negative symbol, we must take the addition of that bracket. That is 24 plus 9 is obviously 33. Be careful about the sign of the negative numbers. Always remind that positive into negative numbers always gives negative answer, and outside the bracket minus symbol is there, then it is goes to addition, and we use the simple law of indices to simplify such the value of determinant. Let us try more example for the determinant value. Determinant of 2 by 2 examples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In a bar bracket, obviously we have to note. We know that 4 into 1 and 3 into 2. So obviously 1 into 4, that is 4, and 2 into 3, it is 6. But bigger is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 4, obviously minus 2 is the final answer. In a second example, suppose minus 5 and 2 and minus 2 into and 0 are the elements. Then we have to take minus 5 and 2, minus 2 and 0. Minus 5 into 0, minus remain as the same. 2 into minus 2. We know that any number multiply with the 0 with positive negative sign, that is always 0. So we derive only this answer, minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus minus plus 4. So we derive the final answer is 4. Next example we have to consider the determinant 1, 2, 2, 4 is there. So we take the same multiplication, that is the 1 into 4, and middle sign is minus 2 into 2. So we derive the final answer. 1 into 4 is 4, minus 2 into 2 is 4. So we derive 4 minus 4, obviously 0. Throughout these, we derive the value of 2 by 2 order determinant examples. You understand? You practice for the multiplication. Now same type of example I introduce, but the 3 elements are negative. Be careful about the negative signs. Same trick we have to follow. Minus 1, minus 3, 4, minus 2 is there. So we can take minus 1 into minus 2. Minus symbol remain as the same, that is middle sign negative will be same. Minus 3 into 4. Better we have to put the bracket for the negative numbers. Here I put minus 2 and here I put the minus 3 in a bracket. How we derive? Minus 1 into minus 2, obviously 2. Minus 3, it is the plus 3. So 3 into 4 plus 12. 12 plus 2, that gives the value is 14. Here we can apply in the general term A, B, C and D substitution, or directly you solve by minus 1 into minus 2 and minus 3 into 4